Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Binance account from the very beginning. I'll also walk you through futures trading, one step at a time. Everything is explained in a simple way, so beginners can follow without any trouble. You'll find the sign up link right below this video. By signing up through that link, you can get a 20% discount on Binance trading fees. Be sure to use the link so you don't miss out on these benefits. Let's begin with the Binance registration process. When you click the link below the video, you'll be redirected to the Binance website. On this page, you'll see that the 20% trading fee discount is already applied. You may also notice extra reward promotions available. You can register using either your email address or your mobile number. After filling in your details, agree to the terms by checking the box. Then, click Continue to proceed. You'll be prompted to complete a simple image verification. Choose the image that matches the word shown on the screen. Next, a verification code will be sent to your email or phone. Enter the code to confirm your account. Now, set a password for your account. Your password needs to be at least 8 characters long. It must include an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, and a number. If you see a referral code field, enter SKY333. This will unlock special benefits on your account. You'll receive a 20% trading fee discount along with extra bonuses. I strongly suggest entering the code before finishing registration. Once this step is complete, your Binance account is ready to use. Next, let's move on to identity verification. KYC is required to deposit, withdraw, and trade on Binance. Since this process includes face verification, we'll switch to a mobile device. Download and open the Binance app on your phone. Log in using the account you just created. You'll be taken directly to the verification screen. Start by selecting your nationality. I'll use India as an example here. Next, choose the type of ID you want to verify with. I'll select passport verification. Select Take Pictures to proceed. Then, tap Continue to move to the camera screen. Position your passport clearly within the frame and take the photo. Make sure there are no shadows or reflections on the image. Now, proceed to face verification. Follow the instructions on the screen and complete each movement. Once finished, your identity submission is complete. After about an hour, your status will change to verified. Now, let's add an extra layer of security with Google Authenticator. Click Account. Then select Security. Click Manage. And enable the Authenticator app. Enter the security code sent to your email or phone. A QR code will appear on the screen. Install and open Google Authenticator on your phone. Click the button at the bottom right. And select Scan a QR code. Then scan the QR code shown on the PC screen. A 6-digit code will be generated. Now, on the Binance PC screen, click Next. Type in the 6-digit code shown in your Google Authenticator app. This confirms that two-factor authentication is now active on your account. Now, let's take a look at how peer-to-peer trading works on Binance. To begin, tap the wallet icon located in the top right corner. Here, you'll see several types of wallets available. The spot wallet is mainly used for holding funds and spot trading. The futures wallet is dedicated to futures trading only. For this step, select the spot wallet. At the top right, choose the deposit option. From the available options, click Buy with USD peer-to-peer. Review the agreement shown on the screen. Click Start Trading. To begin the purchase, switch over to the Buy tab. Set USDT as the cryptocurrency you want to buy. USDT is commonly used. Next, choose the currency you'll pay with and enter the amount. After that, select a payment method that's convenient for you. You'll then see a list of sellers available for this trade. For better safety, look for sellers with a long transaction history. It's also a good idea to check their ratings and completion rate. Once you've found a reliable seller, tap Buy USDT next to their name. Before continuing, carefully read the seller's trading instructions. Now, enter the amount of USDT you wish to purchase. After reviewing the details, confirm by tapping Buy USDT. On the next page, you'll see the seller's name and payment details. You may also see a QR code depending on the payment method. Before sending money, check if the seller left any messages. Send the payment using the method you selected earlier. Once the transfer is complete, return to the Binance app. Then tap Transferred, notify seller to let them know. Upload 1 to 3 images as proof of payment. After that, check the confirmation box to agree. Finish this step by tapping Confirm. After a short wait, tap the wallet icon again. Select the spot wallet from the list. You'll now see that the USDT has arrived in your account. Now, let's move on and see how futures trading works on Binance. Before placing any futures trades, you'll need to move funds first. Your balance must be transferred from the spot wallet to the futures wallet. Start by opening your spot wallet. Next, tap the transfer button in the top right area. Set the transfer direction from fiat and spot to USD and futures. Now select the asset you want to send. Type in the amount you'd like to transfer. Double check the details, then confirm the transfer. The funds will process quickly and show up in your futures wallet. Now, to enter the futures market, tap Futures in the top menu. From the list, choose USD futures. You'll now be taken to the futures trading screen. If you tap this icon in the top left corner, you can select the coin you want to trade. On the right side, you'll see the controls for managing your trades. First, open the margin mode option. With cross margin, all available margin supports your open positions. With isolated margin, only the assigned amount is at risk. For beginners, isolated margin is generally the safer choice. Next, move on to setting your leverage. On Binance, leverage can go up to 150 times. While higher leverage increases potential gains, it also raises risk. If you're new, using around 3 to 5 times leverage is more reasonable. Now, let's look at the order type section. A limit order allows you to set your own entry price. A market order enters the trade instantly at the current price. Below that, you can check how much margin is available. Here, input your order price and position size. Next, decide which direction you want to trade. If you expect the coin price to go up, choose Buy Long. If you expect the price to go down, choose Sell Short. Tap the Positions tab at the bottom to monitor your trade. To view your active trade, entry price shows the average price of your position. Mark price represents the current reference market price. If the price hits the liquidation level, the position will close automatically. P&L shows your real-time profit or loss. Here, you can set your take profit and stop loss levels. When you're ready to exit, look for the market close all option. Choose either market or limit to close the trade. Once the process is complete, your position will be fully closed. In this video, I walked you through everything, from creating a Binance account to trading futures. Each step was broken down and explained in a simple, easy to follow way. Your likes and subscriptions truly help support this channel. I really appreciate you watching all the way to the end.